How to create a Binance account in 2025, step by step. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a Binance account. First, go to the registration link in the description or comment section and click Register. Enter your email and check your inbox for an activation code to verify it. Then set your password and enter the referral ID in the description or comment section to enjoy a trading fee discount. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. This takes about 7 minutes and requires a government-issued ID and proof of address. You can verify using the Binance app or on your computer, but we recommend using the app for faster processing. Download the Binance app, log in, and enter your personal details as they appear on your ID. You'll be asked to take a photo of your ID and complete a video call for verification. After that, verify your phone number and answer the compliance questions. Finally, verify your address by uploading a document that shows both your full name and address. Once Binance reviews your documents, you'll receive a confirmation email, and you'll be all set to use Binance's full features.